Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a purchase on buytestseries.com. So when you visit buytestseries.com, you would be greeted by this login screen which says welcome to buytestseries.com. Register now. Now there are three options in which you can register. You can either enter your email address and phone number and click register, or you can log in using your Facebook account or log in using your Google Plus account as represented here as G Plus login. We will log in using our Facebook account by clicking on Facebook login. Once you log in, you will see your name would be visible on the top right corner and you will see 5 options. In this case, I want to purchase a test series for bank exams, bank probationary officer. For this, I'll go to test series and here I can see test competitive exams for multiple types of test series. In this case, I'll go to banking and under banking, I can see bank PO. If you look down, there are quite a few other exams, bank clerk, bank SO, so on and so forth. In all, there are 236 exams that are there. I'll click on bank PO, which will take me to the bank PO test series page. Here you can see a list of test series that are available. In all, 221 test series from various providers are available. For example, you can see here this test series is provided by Laksh Academy for 1,550 rupees, which offers a 3% discount. There is one by EduWizard offered at 459 at a discount of 54%. If you scroll down, you will see multiple different providers. Here this one's from Mockbank. You can keep scrolling to see more. Now say for example, I want to purchase a test series from a specific provider. In that case, I can use the filter on the left hand side. Say if I want to purchase a test series from TestFunda, a reputed provider. I'll scroll down to TestFunda and click here. The moment I click here, the test series provided by TestFunda appear. In this case, 10 items have been found. So there are multiple items that are available. Depending on my budget, I will choose one. Say for example, I want to purchase this test series and know more about it, the one for 1499. In that case, I'll click on this link provided, which will take me to the test series detail page. Here, understand the top box first. This area basically gives a snapshot of the features this test provides. The provider name, internet would be required for this test series, it's a self-paced learning, there is a 7-day replacement guarantee, and the price of 1499. Note this important feature called the chat window, which appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. In case you have any query, you can just click on that window, enter your name and email address. In this case, I'll enter my name, the email address, and my phone number. And the message I want to send across to the help center representative. They will reply back on the same chat itself. So I can ask any question. For example, which of these test series is the best one to buy? The expert sitting there would definitely reply back within a moment. Say you don't want to chat and you just want a call back. In that case, you can just click on this link which says request a call back. Again, the procedure is pretty simple. You click on the link, request a call back. You enter your name, again as you did previously, your email address, and of course your contact number. So once you do that, the call center representative will call you back within 24 hours. You also have the option for a Facebook share and a Twitter share if you like the test series and want to share it with your friends. In case you want to read more about this test series, you can scroll down and get details on this test series, like the brand, the validity, which in this case is 12 months, the delivery is free. If you scroll down, you will get further information provided by the provider of this test series. In this case, it's Test Funda. There are 5 speed tests, just reading a few lines from the snapshot given below. Also, on the right side, you will notice that there are a lot of other test series provided by Test Funda, which are also displayed for easy reference. Now, say I want to purchase this test series. I will click on Add to Cart. The moment I click on Add to Cart, I will be greeted by a checkout pop-up. Here you can just verify if everything looks okay and click Checkout. Once you click Checkout, you reach the Review Order page. Here you can review your order again in detail. Please do not worry, this page is not the final confirmation page. Here you can validate your price, and in case you have a discount coupon, you can even use that. In this case, I do have a discount coupon, so I'll use it. Please note this section carefully. I have received a discount for 149.9 rupees, which is basically a 10% discount. The net amount payable for me becomes 1349.10. Buy Test Series offers multiple discounts at times, so do check it. Again, I'll need to confirm my billing information, my first name, middle name in case you carry one, and your last name, your email address. Now, email address and mobile number are two very important features because the test provider or the delivery will happen on this email address, and in case of any query, this contact number would be called. The zip code is also important in case you're opting for cash on delivery because that basically ensures that deliveries take seamlessly. You'll of course need to enter your city and state name along with the country. If everything looks okay, you can even visit the terms of sales in case you have any query by clicking on this link, or the terms and conditions, which basically lists down the terms and conditions. If everything looks fine, you can click on this checkbox and then select the payment options. Now there are 5 payment options available here. You have your wallets like a Paytm, PayUmoney, so on and so forth. You can use net banking, you can use your credit cards, or you can even use your debit cards. The other option is cash on delivery. The first step on paying through cash on delivery is to check the availability if it's done on that PIN code. So enter the PIN code and check availability. In this case, as you notice, this product is not eligible for cash on delivery. So in that case, I'll proceed with a debit card payment. I'll select the option for debit card and click Proceed. This is the confirmation order page. Here again, the details will be provided for shipping, followed by the product details, the shipping charges in case any. In this case, it's a free shipping, and of course the discount that has been applied and the net price. Again, I can pay via CC Avenue or PayUmoney. In this case, I will opt for CC Avenue. You can opt for either based on your convenience. All your information that you have entered will automatically be transferred here, and you just need to validate it if it all looks correct. Your first name, last name, address, PIN code, city, state, country, phone number, and email address. Now say I have a Visa debit card. I'll click on Visa debit card, enter the card number. The card number is the 16-digit number that is present on your debit card. Also, please note the Visa or MasterCard logo would be on the bottom right corner of your credit card, so you can determine if it's a Visa or a MasterCard debit card. The expiry date would also be present on your credit card, debit card. the expiry date, and the CVV number is the 3-digit number that is present on the back of your card, which looks something like this, the image shown there. Now, since this is a trial debit card, the debit card is not valid. In case the debit card number has been incorrectly entered, you'll receive a message saying that the debit card is incorrect. Once everything looks fine, you click on make payment and the order would be shipped to you within 48 hours or as per the mode of payment and the terms and conditions. Thank you for watching.